Hi, I'm Bill Cook from Greenlee County Cooperative Extension in Duncan, Arizona. Today we're going to talk a little bit about PVC fittings. This is called hose thread. And this hose thread is something that goes on a faucet. Well, a hose thread is intended to seal with the hose washer, that rubber gasket. And you screw that on tight, and that's what makes the seal here on a hose thread fitting. So hose thread is one thing. When you're buying parts, sometimes on something like, for example, a pressure regulator for a drip system, you'll see 3/4 inch hose thread, or you'll see 3/4 inch pipe thread. And that's what we're talking about here. A hose thread is this. It goes onto a faucet. It seals with a gasket. Whereas a pipe thread would be something for like attaching a below ground inline valve. A pipe thread is tapered and is intended to be sealed with Teflon tape or a brush applied pipe sealer. So pipe threads are tapered and they seal with Teflon or whatever you're using. And you just screw them in, and being tapered, they just go into the point where they get tight and no leak. So every once in a while you get into a kind of a special or a different situation. Say I wanted to come off of my faucet. Say I'm doing some kind of a watering system off of my faucet, but I want to use PVC. There is this thing here that's called a hose swivel. And what a hose swivel does is that it will go onto your faucet. This will screw on here with a washer. And then from here, that is a socket or a slip where you can go with PVC. So we can go from our faucet with PVC by simply using this thing called a hose swivel that seals with a gasket just like any other hose thread. So that's a pretty handy thing to know about. That's a fitting, once I discovered it, I found all kinds of good uses.